So I cut bangs because I was losing my hair. I feel like maybe you can't even tell, but see, like I just, like it looks thinner. I don't know. Thinner on this side too. Maybe I'm just going crazy, but every time I brush it, a tongue comes out. So I cut bangs because I couldn't stand seeing like the thinness. See, right there, you can see it. The thinness in my hair. So I cut bangs so you can hide it. At least I have a little bit of volume here. Yeah, it's Saturday night. We had a good dinner. We had ribs. I made pork ribs on the air fryer. They came out pretty good. We had a baked potato and then corn. So that was delicious and it was very fulfilling. And I finally finished watching Boardwalk Empire. If you've watched it and you know how it ends, I'm gonna spoil it in the next like 5 seconds. I didn't like the last 5 minutes of the ending. Like I don't think it was in Tommy's character to kill Nucky. Like I'm wondering, I don't know, like how would Tommy have known like all the stuff about Nucky, and like because he went to go live with Richard's like wife and family, right? And they were raising him, and he knew when he was little that his grandma was a little cuckoo. So why would he take into account his grandma's, whatever his grandma told him about Nucky, and him grow up and be this like person that is also a little cuckoo and went to go kill Nucky? Like, and it's like, oh well, none of the gangster movies end in like good happy times. And I'm like, yeah, none of the ending was really like happy, right? But at least I was like, Nucky was based off of a real character called Eunuch Johnson instead of Thompson. And Eunuch Johnson, he didn't die till 1963 or 1930s. 1863. And so I was like, in my head I was like, oh, Nucky's not gonna die, he's gonna be surviving or whatever. But he fucking died, and I was so disappointed and so upset. But anyway, let me know. I know I'm like years behind, but let me know what you guys think about the ending. I'm gonna go to sleep for now. It's everyone's favorite part of the day. Car wash. I hate it when we're so close to the front car. It like makes me paranoid. But I'm sure all like security efforts are in place. All right. So I don't know if you guys know buñuelos, but this was my favorite snack when I was growing up. My parents used to buy it all the time. And Ryan has never had it before. So you gotta react though. You can't just eat it and like just have like a plain face.
It's a snack. It's a little sweet.
Yeah, it's like a little, it's really sugary.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's very delicate. How is it?
It's like if someone got a Chinese cookie, you know, like the shell for a Chinese cookie, and they guzzled it with sugar.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good. It's very crunchy and very sugary.
Just one for now. We'll save the rest for later.
It's like a heart. A broken heart.
I used to eat them like little piece by piece. I used to take like the edges off first and eat it. and take each heart individually and then eat it. It was good. Anyway, I'm about to make protein peanut butter balls with rolled oats, some peanut butter, and chocolate chips. So I'll show you guys how I make them. And then at 2:30 in like 10 minutes, maybe I should talk to Maya first and then do them. I'm gonna talk to my best friend on Skype, which we usually do at least once a week. Sometimes it goes by a few weeks since we talk, but yeah. And we went to the 99-cent store, so I bought more decaf coffee and some snacks too. So yep. Oh, chili limon peanuts, banana chips. These I already had. You guys already saw these. More buñuelos, and I got these, which are honey wheat pretzels. Those are from Christmas. That Anna gave me, actually. I should probably... Oh my god, it's a lot! Okay, I'm dry now. All right, I'm gonna do the peanut butter balls and then talk to my... Kind of a good hair day, considering my bangs look so light, but I just woke up and like my hair looks, I don't know, I feel like it looks pretty good. For lunch today, I had these Japanese style stir-fry noodles with seasoning and sauce base, and I also have pork ribs. So let's see. Okay, doesn't look that hard. Ooh, it comes with 3 pouches. Ooh, okay. So I just punctured it and I'm gonna microwave it for a minute. so good. Oh my God. Some of the pork in there. Broccoli. Oh my God. So good. So good. Okay, I'm gonna eat this, watch some YouTube. I have to go back into work. I found out why my hair is falling off. Although right now it doesn't feel that bad. Like it doesn't feel that, or doesn't look that bad. My hair always fell off. Like it's normal. Your hair sheds all the time. And even then, I was like, oh my gosh, it sheds so much. And that's just like in general, my entire life, my hair has shed a lot because I have a lot of it. But never like this. So I started doing some like reading and trying to figure out why my hair is falling. And a lot of times it's like hormonal, and I do have PCOS. So I was like, oh, maybe it's that. Maybe my PCOS has gotten worse. But I didn't have any other symptoms. Like it was just that. So I was like, I don't know. Like it doesn't seem plausible. I was really at like a what the heck is causing my hair to fall. And then I saw this, which I screenshotted, and it says temporary hair loss is normal after a fever or illness. And when I had COVID, I had fever almost 2 weeks straight. I had fever over like 99, over some days over 100. Like it was a relatively high fever that I had. And I realized that here it says that some people, so I'm going to read it because it explains it pretty well. So most people see noticeable hair shedding 2 or 3 months after having a fever or illness. I had COVID in November, December, January, February, 3 months after. So, and like right to the 3 months. So handfuls of hair can come out when you shower or brush your hair. Check. That's exactly what's happening. This hair shedding can last for 6 to 9 months before it stops. So that freaked me out. So I started looking for like wigs, like, oh my gosh, what if my hair like completely falls off? And I don't know. Anyway, most people then see their hair start to look normal again and stop shedding. So I can't do anything about it. It's going to happen. It's pretty much effect of having COVID, and I cannot change it. I cannot tell my body don't react to it because it was 3 months ago. So at this point, I just have to kind of let it happen and not stress about it. And you know, I'm taking vitamins to help my hair grow stronger when it finally does. So I can't panic about it. I just have to let it happen. And that kind of calmed me down a little bit because I was like, okay, it's normal. It's happening. And yeah, I can't do anything. So I just have to deal with it. But I'm glad I have some answers. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so we just got home from Costco. It was amazing because it's a Tuesday night and there was like no one there. So it was perfect because there was times that we were like the only ones in like the entire row of stuff. So it was cool. And so I'm going to show you guys just a little bit of what we got. The rest is already put away. So Ryan got his cookies. We usually always get these when we go to Costco because they're a good price and it comes with a lot. This is the ketchup, 3 of them, mayo, peppercorn. We got chips, so Ryan got chips for his lunches. This was only $3.49 for this huge bag. And then we also got this one for $3.99. French roast coffee. Deodorant, it was on sale for me and Ryan. And then body wash. And then shampoo and conditioner. So yeah. We have some behind the scenes here of cooking. I made a video for fried rice. Came out really good. And then I told Ryan that we had some of this and he got excited. But yeah, it came out really good. Oh my god, I'm so excited to eat. I just finished watching Palm Springs and it was such a good movie. It was really cute. I recommend it. I cried a little bit, not a lot, but it was really good. It was like a good mix of like a rom-com and comedy. Well, rom-com is a comedy, but it was a good mix of like everything. Ryan liked it. I liked it. It was good. Ryan like almost peed his pants laughing in the few times. Huh? Has like the theme of like Groundhog's Day. So yeah, I recommend it. 10 out of 10. Recommend. It's Thursday, but tomorrow we don't work. So today was our Friday. We're going to celebrate our anniversary tomorrow. And yeah, I'm not sure what we're going to do, but actually we have a whole set of things that we want to do. So we'll take you along. Hello everyone and good morning. It is Friday. I went to go get my blood drawn this morning at 8 a.m. Ryan took me. And now we're making breakfast. So Ryan's making his toast. He likes it with a lot of butter. And I made eggs and then some sweet potatoes on the air fryer. It's like 20 minutes to do them. You just leave them in there. They do their thing and they come out perfectly cooked. And some toast. It is Saturday morning and we just came back from getting Costco gas for Ryan and I'm about to make breakfast, but I'm going to end the vlog here for this week. I'm just going to show you guys my breakfast and then just end it there. So I'll see you guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys next week.